Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to book MITV on Google Chrome on Flipkart. So first of all you need to download Chrome web extension named Price Tracker. I am showing it to you now. So this is the Price Tracker application, Chrome web extension. You have to download it and if you want to do default checkout, please check it here. If you want to buy 32-inch, check it here, and if you want to do COD, then check it here. Now I will tell you how to book the MITV. As you see guys, it's 11:59 a.m. and the Price Tracker is refreshing my web page in every 5 milliseconds and clicking the auto buy button in every 3 seconds. Whenever the product is available, the Price Tracker will do automatic checkout. Let's see what happens is next. Now you can see the product is already automatically added to the cart and the Price Tracker is doing auto checkout. I have to write captcha. Flipkart added captcha, otherwise Price Tracker have booked the project. Cash on delivery, it's D5M4. Oh, I missed the opportunity this time. Oh shit. Now the product is out of stock. You can see I have taken 3 or 4 seconds in writing the captcha and product is out of stock. So I can say that the Price Tracker is very useful extension. I'll definitely get the product next time, but I must suggest you Price Tracker application. It is very useful. Thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.